Hey, what's up guys? Harry Ely here. Welcome to my brand new YouTube fitness channel. So basically I want this channel to be dedicated to you guys, whether you're new to fitness, think about competing, trying to lose weight to look good for a beach holiday, photo shoot, or if you actually want to, get yourself into a fitness competition. This channel will hopefully help you guys along the way, answering some of your questions. My background is over 20 years in fitness, also as a competitive athlete. So hopefully this channel will help you guys achieve the results you want, and you can follow me on my fitness journey as well. So this channel isn't all going to be about going to the gym, lifting big weights, big heavy squats, big heavy bench presses, deadlifts. Yes, it will involve all that as well, but it'll also be around every aspect of fitness, whether you want to do a spinning class, whether you want to do your first body pump class, whether you want to do your first fitness competition, whether it be bodybuilding, men's physique, swimwear, bikini. Pretty much done all of those competitions, obviously except for bikini. So hopefully I'll be able to help you guys make the decision, whether you want to take that journey to fitness, whether you want to get lean, build up fitness, do a spin class, do a body pump class, join a gym. Whatever it is that your fitness wants to take you, want to look good on holiday, summer's on the way, you just want to look good in the summer, or you just want to have a healthier lifestyle. This channel will hopefully run through all those things for you. As I said, it's not just going to be about coming to the gym and lifting big weights. It will be looking at your cardio, fitness, as you can see, teaching studio classes, circuits, kettlebells, body pump. We're going to cover everything from nutrition, all the mistakes people make, whether it's mistakes in the gym, lifting weights, doing too much cardio, eating the wrong types of food. We're going to be looking at all those things in all the future videos. So a little bit of insight background on myself. I am going to be turning 42 on the weekend. Definitely starting to feel my age, but I also want to show people that no matter how old you get, when you hit your 40s especially, it's not the end of the road. You can still look good, feel young, and still have the body that you really, really want. Just because you hit your 40s, 50s, 60s, whatever it is, don't give up on your fitness dream. I only started competing 6-7 years ago when I was in my mid-30s. I wish I'd started doing it when I was younger, in my 20s, but unfortunately I left it a little bit too late. But at the same time, still got myself in good condition that I'm happy with. And as I said, it doesn't matter how old you get, what age you are, you can achieve the body you want. Don't think as you're getting older it gets harder, your metabolism slows down, you can't get as big. Forget about all those things. With these videos, I'm going to show you that these things can be achieved through hard work, dedication, focus, determination, and having the right mental attitude as well. People ask us all the time, how do I get in shape, Harry? How do I get abs? How can I get on stage one day? And the truth is, it is achievable, but it is hard. You don't get ripped in a few weeks. You don't get massive in a few months. These things take time, focus, and dedication, but you can achieve them. You really can. So never give up on your dreams. As I said, whether you want to get on stage and compete, look good for a holiday in Ibiza when you're going with the guys, the girls, whatever it might be, you can achieve these dreams with a little bit of determination, a bit of dedication, consistency, preparation, all these sort of things put together. You will achieve the results you want. And that's what I want to start making these videos for, to show you guys that these things can be done. There's so many videos out there on fitness, nutrition, bodybuilding, everything. And I think a lot of people just have to be truthful about how to get these results. If you tell somebody you're going to get them ripped in 4 weeks, is that achievable? You decide. But with these videos, I'm going to be documenting my journey, my lifestyle, what I do on a day-to-day basis. People ask every day, Harry, what do you do every day to get in shape, get lean, get ripped? You know, it's not about just going to the gym 3 days a week. It's about doing the cardio, it's about the nutrition, it's about going to the gym every day, lifting weights. As a personal trainer of 20 years, you know, you've got to make time for your clients, you've got to make time for your meal preps, you've got to make time for doing your extra cardio, especially when it comes to competition prep, and you want to get that lean physique. It's hard work, but you know, hard work pays off, it really does. You put the time, focus and effort into it, you're going to get the results that you want. You really, really will. So these videos, like I said, are going to be aiming towards you guys to show that these things can be achieved. And because I'm going to be 42 on the weekend, I really want to show you guys who are hitting middle age, 40s, 50s, that don't give up. Don't give up. Keep pushing, keep trying, and you know, be committed, and you will get the results you want. You really, really will. So I think the next few videos, this is just an intro video, but the next few videos are basically looking at my lifestyle, my background, give you guys a bit of knowledge about who I am and what I do, and you know what I do for a living as a personal trainer, group fitness instructor. I'm actually going to teach spinning in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to make this video quick. And yeah, really want to see you guys achieve the results that you deserve. You know, keep to your fitness training, keep to your goals, never give up, and follow these videos, give the videos a like. If they help, fantastic, let us know, and let's do this journey together. Take care. See you later.